Hello, Mr. Hill here with a short video explaining how to work out whether a number is prime or not. What we need to remember, if a number is prime, it only has two factors. There's only one factor pair, so one pair of numbers that can be multiplied together to make that number. That would be the number 1 and the number itself. So I'm going to bring you back in a second. We're going to have a go through all the numbers between 1 and 100. I'm going to show you some tricks, show you some hints as to how to work out whether a number is prime or not. Okay, here we are. We have our grid with 100 numbers on it. Now, the first number we're going to look at is number 1. Now, number 1 is a strange one. It has only got one factor, 1. So that cannot be a prime number. The number 2 has got two factors, the number 1 and the number 2. So this one is prime. The same is true for the number 3 as well. That's also prime. Now, number 4 has got more than two factors. I can multiply 1 and 4 together. I can also multiply 2 and 2. So this is not a prime number. Number 5 here is a prime number. It only has two factors, 1 and 5. 6, 1 and 6, also 2 times 3. So this is not a prime number. The number 7, I can only multiply 1 and 7. That will be a prime number. The number 8 is an even number. It's in the 2 times table and the 4 times table. So it has more than two factors. That can't be right. The number 9 is an odd number, and most of our primes so far have been odd, but this one has got more than one pair of factors. I can multiply 1 and 9 together. I can also multiply 3 and 3. So this is not a prime number. 10, 1 and 10, and 2 and 5. So this again is not a prime number. Now, I can start looking for some patterns here. Most of my prime numbers I've got are odd, apart from number 2. Now, 10 ends in a 0, so it is not a prime number. If I look down this column here, these are all multiples of 10. So none of these will be a prime number because I can divide all of them by 10. So that doesn't follow the rule of being able to divide it by 1 and the number itself. My 5 times table down here as well. So these are all multiples of 5. So these will not fit in with the rule. It has to be the number and the number 1. We can also say all of the even numbers on here. They're all multiples of 2. And an even number can be divided by 2 without a remainder. So all of these down this column and this column and this column. So what you'll notice, these end in a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. So none of these here are going to be prime numbers. We can also use our times table knowledge. Now, I've got 11 here, but I also know multiples of 11. So 33 is a multiple of 11. I've already crossed out 44, 55, 66, 77 is also a multiple of 11, and 99 is also a multiple of 11. Can also start thinking about my multiples of 3 because I know how to count in threes. I've got 12 already, 15, 18, 21. That's a multiple of 3. 24, I've already got 27. There's another multiple of 3. We're going to work our way along. We've got another multiple of 3, 39. So that's not going to be prime. 42, we've already got 45. We've got 48. We've got 51. 54, I've already got 57. 59, 60, I've already got. 63 is one I haven't already crossed out. 69 is another one there. So 1, 2, 3, got that one, got that one, got that one. 81 is another multiple I haven't got. 87 is another one. 90 we've already got. 93, I can take that off. 96, 99. So I'm just using my times table knowledge, and I'm now down to very few numbers that are left. So I'm going to go through. So number 11, I know that doesn't have any other factors. Number 13 is the same. Number 17 is also the same. Number 19 is the same. 23, that's a prime number. 29 is also a prime number. 31 is another prime number. 37. So just by knowing our even numbers, so our 2 times table, our 3 times table, our 5 times table, and our 10 times tables, we've been able to take all of the numbers that aren't prime so far. We're going to keep checking through. 43 is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. 49, no, that's in the 7 times table, isn't it? That's 7 times 7, so that one is not a prime number. 53 is a prime number. 59, 59, that's, I don't think that is a prime number. I'll come back to that one. I need to do some thinking there. 61 is a prime number. 67 is a prime number. 71 we've got. 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So I've got 2 here that I want to go back and check. So bear with me. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I had 2 numbers I wanted to check. 59 is a prime number. 91, however, was the other one I wasn't sure of. It's not a prime number because it's actually in the 7 times table. So 7 times 13 gives you 91. So here is all of the prime numbers between 1 and 100. And what we need to remember is a prime number only has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So all of the numbers you can see here ringed in blue, I can only make by multiplying 1 and the number itself. Take care. We'll see you soon.